In this tutorial, we're going to look at how we can create a pitch for an ad. So what are the objectives of a pitch? Well, the main objective of a pitch is to sell your idea on how to advertise a product or the hero through the selected media. Now, this selected media may be in the form of a television ad, may be a radio ad, through a social media platform such as Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, or it could be produced in print form in the form of a magazine, billboard, or an ad that can be displayed at a movie theatre before the main feature film. Now, when you're doing a pitch, you must remember that you're pitching to the product creator or the finance decision maker. These are the people that are going to give you the funds and the resources to go away and create your pitch and take your idea from a possibility into a creation. One of the key things of doing a pitch and these decision makers actually analysing your presentation is how you connect the audience with the hero. How do you take the product or the hero and influence the identified audience to actually purchase, to make that click on a web page, or to leave their home to go out and buy the product? So it's really important when you create a pitch that you're able to link the audience with the product. And when you create a pitch, you're either going to educate them, inform them, or entertain them. And this will help you connect your audience to the product, to the hero. Now, there's some key features of a pitch, and they come from the media codes and conventions. And we have symbolic codes, technical codes, written codes, and conventions. These four areas need to be considered when creating a pitch for the hero. So where do we start when creating a pitch? Well, one of the first things you should do is look at creating what's called a mood board. Now, a mood board is a type of collage consisting of images, text, and samples of objects in composition. So it helps you tell your story. A mood board can be used to convey a general idea or feeling about a particular topic and help convey your ideas across to the client. So how do you create a mood board? Well, one of the first things you should do is start by adding images to help set the scene. It helps connect your pitch to the hero. It identifies the key elements that draws the intended audience to connect to the hero. The storyboard also allows you to use the story convention to have a start, middle, and end to help your pitch flow to the client. What are some of the key conventions that you see in a storyboard? Starting on the right, you'll see the story convention. You can talk about the camera work. You can talk about the setting, the mise-en-scene, the acting that's going to occur, the colours that are going to link to the hero and develop that resonant image with the intended audience. You can also talk about the editing, the audio and lighting, if they're key parts of your pitch. But for a Heinz ad, it could look something like this. So you should be able to see the setting in a kitchen, the mise-en-scene, the children sitting at a table, the hot chips. You should be able to talk about the acting, what the mother are doing, what the children are doing. You should be able to talk about the representation of the colours, about the golden chips, the red sauce. The mood board allows you to talk about the camera work and the editing that's going to occur, along with the audio and lighting effects that are required to highlight the hero of the ad. So when creating a pitch, mood boards are essential in conveying your idea across to the client. So now what do we do after we've created our mood board? We need then to come up with our pitch. And where do we start with the pitch? Well, we start with the words, picture this. And we'll go into this in the next tutorial about creating a simple pitch. So I hope you found this tutorial useful in creating mood boards and why we create a pitch. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next episode when we look at creating a pitch.